Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to clear cookies on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open Google Chrome, and here press the three little dots. Now click delete browsing data, and here you can clear cookies and browsing data. But if you don't want to clear everything, click on more options and deselect everything except for cookies. Press delete data. Just like that you clear cookies. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.